Matt, what is your favorite day of the week?
Wednesday.
That's what today is, and today is your Wednesday stock review spelled with an I because we win on Wednesdays. You guys rock. That's right, team. It is Wednesday. Love and life. SPY. Whew, getting close to that 350 mark. By the way, congrats for anyone who got the tip and bought some 350 calls for September or August. Good job. So SPY slowly grinding higher. Markets are on a rampage. The Qs are flying. The Dow Jones hanging out. IWM chilling. But I really do love these two hammers with an inside candle. So ironically enough, it could continue higher. But wow. That's all I got to say about that. All right, let's go look at some stocks that were requested. First on the list is Monster Beverages. Interesting tip and fact. Monster Beverage is the #1 performing stock in the S&P 500 in the last 20 years. Monster Beverage slowly grinding higher. It's going to take some time, right? You had a really massive retest gap on earnings. We've retested one white soldier, and we're just going to trade sideways for a while. So Monster looking really good. By the way, do you remember me talking about Amazon just a few days ago breaking out of a particular pattern? Well, it broke out the very next day. I did that recording on the 17th. It broke out on the 18th. Mr. Squiggles and up big on Amazon on that debit spread. Loving it right now. So Amazon trend chart looking pretty. Let's continue to find out what happens, but right now it is amazing. AYX, this is a stock that I'm extremely bullish on long term. I'm absolutely confident I'm absolutely confident that this gap will fill. Very strong gap, huge retest gap, and this is an amazing open today. I did day trade AYX bullish yesterday, and I just missed it this morning. I tried, but there were so many great gaps today. I canceled this order at 103.47 because that's just not going to fill. But my dollar cost average right now in AYX for them shares is 113 and some change. Bought some. I got put shares at 115 with $2 in that put sale premium. A lot of traders buying some 160 January 2022 call options. Some traders are buying some shares. I love AYX. I think it's a great stock, great company, great chart, great trend, great gap today, good volume, a little bit of a double bottom. Buy the dip, be long, looks solid. Next on the list is Pinterest. And Pinterest, I do not think this gap is going to fill. I think we're going to trade sideways. We're going to hang out. We could get into the gap a little bit. But yes, you had a perfect hammer, but that hammer did occur at a previous resistance. So we're going to hang out and trade sideways in this resistance for a while. This is the weekly chart, and this is the monthly chart. So this month, the month of August, has just been an indecisive month at the resistance. You have a few choices. Obviously, this could occur, and then that. I'm totally fine with that. We could trade sideways for 2 or 3 months and then break out. I'm also okay with that. Either way, Pinterest eventually will go higher. I do like the chart, and when this thing breaks out, it'll be a lot of fun. I'm in all kinds of bullish positions on Pinterest. If it can make money with Pinterest going up, I'm in it. Calls, shares, put sales, all of it. Big fan, long term, ready for this one to just surge higher, but it will take some time. AMAT. So AMAT had some really good pullbacks, actually 5 bear days in a row, and pulled right back into the 50 EMA. Today is a inside candle, and this is your high wave candle. So if AMAT breaks out, looks good to me. Really gorgeous pullback, and I do love it. I'm excited about it. If you're looking at playing AMAT, the weekly chart also pulled back to this previous resistance. If I draw this up here, old resistance back from March of 2018 was that 61 and 79 price, and we did retest that last week. So if you're looking at buying AMAT, this would be that particular price. DraftKings, DKNG, looking nice. We actually have a weekly options newsletter set up on DraftKings. See if we can buy some calls on the pullback. I really loved this gap down on earnings with the bearish candle volume. Then you got the high wave candle, then you broke above it. So buying that pullback at about 35 or 36 was nice. DraftKings, decent breakout, decent trend, decent volume. Looks good. So keep your eyes on DraftKings. Go higher. I like it. And especially if football season can open up and do things adequately and correctly, I think this will be even a bigger catalyst for DraftKings. Also, Tesla appears like it's going to close above this candle back from August 24th. And if it does that, I just don't see why it won't continue higher. Again, this pink line that I drew was worst case scenario, but the split is next week and people are still buying it in a frenzy. I do personally believe that the split is a very good thing for Tesla. I do think it's going to go higher, and a close above this candle is going to continue to perpetuate the extreme bullishness that's happening on Tesla for a while. Today was Wednesday, mostly thanks to Roku. This is the stock that I've been waiting on a consolidation for quite a while now, and I've been mentioning it every single day in the afternoon room for the last week. Watch Roku, be watching Roku, keep your eyes on Roku. We are in these January 2022 170 calls. Also got a put sale. Sam has a bull put spread and some long-term calls. This one was the one that helps a lot of traders make some phenomenal money. Check out this 1 minute chart on Roku. This was the best gap of the day, and I mentioned this morning, I mentioned before the market opened, and look at that 1 minute candle. I mean, incredible gap. Congratulations to all the traders who made insane money on Roku. It was a really good day. And you guys all know that August has been a little bit of a struggle bus month for some traders, but today, 4.5 Rs on the day, 5.35 Rs for August. My girl Andrea getting 8.2 Rs. So that's killer. Terry got himself 2.2 Rs on Roku. John Alonso got 1 R on one of the stocks that we were fading on today. JC Jimenez is smoking Roku. Good job, man. My boy Julian, 0.22 total in 5 days. 2.25 Rs on Roku swing. So again, Roku was a really good one for tons of traders. Love and life, folks. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you are crushing it. And thank you so much for being a part of Real Life Trading. Friday, I'll be looking at a trade review. And again, if you have any questions or need anything, post them in the comment section below. If you have a trade that you took that you want me to review, post all the details and charts and everything in the comment section, and I'll be happy to check it out. Thanks for tuning in to your Wednesday stock review. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye. Bam. That was your Wednesday real life stock review. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And I really appreciate you helping us with our mission, which is to enrich lives.